Allahi wa barakatuhu. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent, my name is Muhammad Yasir, son of Habib Jabbar, a student of this madrasa. I study at class 5, living in Shehullah Kara, Camp 16, Block B5. I am an Arabic student at Shula. I am very happy to be in front of you again. First of all, I would like to thank Allah, because I am being kind and helpful. I go and standing thanks to our Maulvis for this year's obtaining proper Islamic knowledge. Today I will discuss one hadith with three languages, Arabic, English and Rohingya language. Let's get started. An Abi Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam kalimatani khafifatani 'ala al-lisan thaqilatani fil mizan habibatani ila ar-rahman subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. It was related from Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu that the messenger of sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, "Who shall light on the tongue and heavy in the blanks, and be left the most merciful, subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim." Glory and praise to Allah, glory to Allah, the Almighty Sahih. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu की रिवायत जनाब रसूल करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाए थे, "Dua kalimat jika zubahan Arabiya halka আর আহের তক সালামাদে বেশি বাড়ি আল্লাহ হাসে বেশি আদুজা সুবহানাল্লাহি ওয়া বিহামদিহি সুবহানাল্লাহিল আযীম।"